Hi, I'm Gordon Coyle, and today we're going to talk about why the valuation date in your workers' comp policy is the most important date of the policy year. Now you may be saying, valuation date? I've never heard of that. What is it? Well, the valuation date is the day that all of your workers' comp payroll and claims information for the past 3 years is sent from your insurance company to the Workers' Compensation Rating Bureau. This is for the development of your experience rating modifier for your next renewal, and it takes place about 6 months before the policy actually renews. The Rating Bureau is an independent organization that formulates your experience rating modifier, or MOD. In New York, we have the New York Compensation Insurance Rating Board, and New Jersey has its own board. But the majority of states, 32 of them, use what we call the NCCI. That's the National Council of Compensation Insurers. Regardless of what rating bureau is receiving that data, they'll take it in and promulgate or develop your next experience rating modifier. Since the MOD can have such a big impact on the price you pay for workers' comp, making sure to verify this underlying data is really important. Now here's the rub. The data going into the Bureau on the valuation date has a very good chance of being wrong. In fact, experts agree that about 80% of the time your data will have flaws in it, and that means higher premiums. The other big problem is that once this data is reported, it's locked in for your upcoming renewal, and you can't change it until the following year. This is why the valuation date becomes so important. Now you may be thinking that in the past you've had your MOD audited, and you got a partial refund. Is this the same thing? No. MOD audits, while are very important, are all about correcting past errors. What we're talking about here is correcting errors in the source data before they make it into your MOD. Rather than getting a partial refund a year or 2 or 3 after the fact, wouldn't it make more sense to prevent that error from occurring in the first place? We think so, and that's why we've added this process to our Comp Control 360 system. Want to learn more about how we can help you drive down the cost of workers' comp for your business and how our proprietary Comp Control 360 system works? Give me a call or drop me an email and let's start a conversation. Thanks.